Let me try to tell you what are we going to see in our syllabus. Okay, very important. Coming to this is a first class, right? So I would like to introduce myself, and I would also see there are only 3 people now. I would like to know from you guys as well to understand like what is your need to join this course. Okay. I would explain about me, and I just need your short description also. So myself, Nikhil, I work on a professional side. I work in a MNC as a test manager. I have more than 13 plus years of experience close, and I have worked in multiple roles across my experience. As an individual contributor, as a lead, as a architect, and as a manager currently to take care of entire deliverables of the project. So this is a technical part of my side. And coming to my professional teaching side, I have more than 10 years of experience into teaching. 5+ years is in DURGASOFT itself. So I have trained many batches in DURGASOFT and in other institutes as well. So Selenium is with Python is not new to me in terms of training, because I've been teaching for more than 5 years this. And there are so many people who has got very good jobs out of the training that we have gone through. So now, very importantly, I would like to know about your background on a very short way, so that I'll get more understanding about what is your background, and then we will further discuss about what topics and what are we going to see. Okay. For demo, let's keep it more non-technical kind of discussion between us to understand more better what is the benefit we are going to get from this course. Okay. Yeah. Can you tell me? Anyone can start.
This is Shiva. So I'm working on the startup company from manual tester from last 4 years.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. So you want to learn Selenium Python for upgradation to Python automation, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Thanks, Shiva.
Hello, hi all. I am Abhishek Pandey. So total, I have 2.5 years of experience in automation using API testing. So I much curious to learn about UI. So that's the reason I have joined this course.
So API
Hello.
testing with Python you have or Java?
Python, using Python.
So you use request modules and right?
Yeah, request modules.
Okay, what is the framework you are using apart from that?
PyTest framework. That's only PyTest. In backend, we are using PyTest only. Yeah, PyTest.
Okay, got it. Thanks, Abhishek. I will try to tell you what are we going to see. What about you, Avinash? If you don't want to speak, you can message better.
Yeah, myself Avinash. So I have a three plus years of experience in manual testing. So coming to join this session. So I want to upgrade my automation skills. So that's the reason I have joined this session.
Nice. Thanks everyone for your info. If you want to see about my demo video, okay, you can find hundreds and thousands of my videos in YouTube. If you just go to YouTube and type Nikhil Raju Sir Python, Selenium with Python, you can find hundreds and thousands of my videos. Okay, but since it is a demo class or demo understanding, already there is a batch running now. Okay, this will be like an add-on batch to them. which is just 2-3 days back. Okay. So what I am trying to say is, what are we going to see in this batch is very crucial and important. Since I told it is not new to me, I have been teaching for 5 years. I am the test manager in an organization. I work for a service-based company currently. I did also work for product and before. I have very good experience of what is the market standard requirements, what is the market required, what kind of companies are looking for, what kind of technical skill set a company is looking for. This is very important. And that is the way which we have designed. So this course is the entire full stack testing course, not just Selenium and Python. You guys have to remember. Let me try to explain you what is that we are going to see in this. This is going to give you a very huge benefit of getting into IT with Selenium and Python and have your career from there. So how many people, I think majority said manual testing apart from one person. So we will start with Python first. We'll complete the entire Python videos. Okay, the Python course. After completion of the Python course, you will also get 5,000 rupees worth. Durga sir, who is the extraordinary faculty for Python, videos as a free. Okay, when you enroll my course. Okay, you'll get this videos, which is 5,000 rupees if you buy it online in Durga sir website, DurgaSoft online website. So I will teach entire Python. Along with that, you will get a complete Durga sir videos worth 5,000 rupees free. So by the end of this Python course, people who don't know Python will have complete command about Python. But is it enough to get companies? Is it enough to get a job? No. You need to have programs. So we will in-house in our class will solve 50 plus programs. Okay, which are very important and been asked in interviews every often. Because I do hundreds of interviews. I've been a part of hundreds of client interviews and client asks for a client. So for a client who needs people, they would ask for certain skill sets. They would ask certain questions. All these questions which are being asked are being set from multiple interview questions into a place, and those programs we will solve in the class so that you will get that logical understanding and a very clear understanding about it. Okay. So first thing we will solve this one, Python entire course. I'll share you Durga sir notes. So I'll share you DurgaSoft notes. All these are free, guys, apart from what I'm trying to. DurgaSoft notes is shared. My notes is my class notes is shared, or my notes is shared, and running class notes is also shared. All this will be shared to you as soon as you have done with Python. So by this time, you will complete entire Python. You will become a command. You will have a command on Python, which will be a free in my course once you enroll. Along with that, we will solve 50 programs, which are very frequently asked in interviews. Very frequently asked in interviews. So now coming to the Selenium, we will solve all the UI component automation of Selenium. Every UI component, okay, how to automate, we will see. That means by the end of this Selenium course, you can automate any website, any website. I'll give you that guarantee. Okay, is that enough? Is that completed? No. We will see frameworks. In companies, there are very important, you need to know frameworks. How many frameworks we are seeing? We are seeing PyTest, we are seeing Robot, we are seeing VD. That's all. There are no more extra frameworks existing in the market itself, apart from these three in Python and Selenium. We will see all of them for UI testing. From the scratch, one end-to-end project, we will see with 1 or 2 project frameworks. Then we will see API testing. Okay. API testing, both with API testing, we will see with Postman and request module. Request module with robot framework. So what are we learning here? We are learning UI testing, we are learning API testing, both manual and automation, entire from the scratch. Then we will see DB testing. See, that is not done. We are seeing DB testing with behave BDD. Okay. Then we will see Git, Jenkins from the scratch. We will see the entire manual testing and agile. Okay. This part I will not cover. Last one I will not cover, which you have to learn. Because this is also asked in interviews. You should have one cloud knowledge and performance testing knowledge. That's all here. If you attend 10 interviews, I'll assure you, minimum 5 interviews you will easily crack by the way that we are discussing. For 3 to 5 years experience in Selenium and Python. Are you getting my point, everyone? For 3 to 5 years experience or 2 to 5 years experience, if you just follow what I am saying, that is more than enough to crack in this. Because we are seeing Selenium, we are seeing Python, we are seeing programs, we are seeing Selenium, we are seeing UI testing, we are seeing API testing, we are seeing DB testing, all this through automation, not manual. We are seeing Git, Jenkins, we are seeing manual testing, agile, from the scratch, entire Jira, I will tell you how the Jira board is created, how to create stories and everything, which you are already doing, but to a very deep extent. Then you need to learn this thing online apart from my course. Then no one can touch you, because this is what the market is. No one can touch you if you have technically sound. No one, and because there is nothing existing on top of it. If you know all of them, you can crack till 10 years experience. Because there is nothing on top of it existing in the market for doing interviews. I have been doing it for years in my course. Go through YouTube and say Selenium with Python by Nikhil Raju sir. You will find hundreds and thousands of my videos, not just tens or 20s or tens or 10 counts. Hundreds or thousands of my videos. Okay. The batch is already going up. So 2 to 3 years happily you can keep. WhatsApp group will be created for those who has paid. Recordings will be shared to you by DURGASOFT team. Class will be little changed. Okay, 9:30 to 10:30, or based on the requirement, based on flexibility timing, we will change it 10:30 to 11 or 11:30. We will change it according to our benefit. So all this will be given to you. And 250 plus HR contacts, I myself will be giving you after the batch is done. Yeah. Now, anyone has any questions on anything?
Sir, in the last point, will you provide a recorded session for related to
Yeah.
JMeter?
No. See, this last section, you guys has to practice yourself. Okay. See, because I cannot teach everything. I'm teaching 5 times more than what you are actually paying. Okay. Because DB is not my point. API is not my point. My point is only UI. And that too, I'm teaching multiple frameworks. Python is not my point. Programming is not my point. See, as a Selenium and Python, I am only supposed to teach this too. But I am teaching everything which is on your benefit. So accept this, because this is a separate course altogether, which you have to prepare by yourself.
Okay.
Okay. I will tell you
Yeah.
how to resolve. See, you can find Udemy videos. You can find so many videos. Okay. You can just
Yeah.
go through one course of it, because this is the final thing that is existing in the entire market. Okay. To get a job, there is nothing more than this. If you are very good in one cloud platform with one non-functional testing platform, along with what I teach in the class, that is more than enough. Because I'm teaching you Python from the scratch, I'll teach you programs in the class. I'll teach you Selenium, every concept, how to automate every component. See, I did not give the sub points of Selenium. If I give sub points, entire page will take. Okay, full page will be only for sub points. I did not give anything entire. Okay, you can find it in DURGASOFT website. So that's why I have not given it. In Selenium, there are everything. How to automate alerts, how to automate frames, how to automate windows, how to automate mouse over, how to automate, how to scroll over, how to automate web table, how to automate calendar. Everything in UI can be automated in Selenium concept. Okay, I'm going to
Yeah.
teach every point of it from the scratch. I have not mentioned it. You can just go through YouTube about my videos. Just go and type Selenium with Python by Nikhil Raju sir. You will find hundreds of my videos. So I don't want to repeat the same, demo kind of thing, which is really not much required for people who are already proved. Okay. So I've been teaching it for more than 5 years in DurgaSoft. Okay. So what I am teaching is very important. You need to know. I'm teaching Selenium, Python from the scratch. Programs I'm going to explain in the class, entire Selenium, entire UI testing with 3 frameworks, entire API testing, entire DB testing, GitHub, Jenkins, manual testing, Agile with Jira, and you have to put little effort in learning one cloud technology and JMeter or load runner. That's all. In the entire world, you go anywhere, there is nothing more than this been existing for getting a job into Selenium and Python. Because that is what existing, right? We can do as much as what is existing. The only thing that you need to put effort is learning technological understanding on Python, learning one cloud technology, learning one non-functional tool. That is enough. Everything you depend on me, whatever I'm teaching on the class is more than enough to get a job. And I cannot assure you 10 jobs you attend, all 10 jobs you will get, but you can easily crack 5 jobs out of 10 jobs from my course, whatever I'm teaching. That way of assurance I can give. Because that is what existing, right? See, if you go to any company, they would ask you, you should be a full stack tester. What is full stack tester? A tester can be DB tester, a tester can be a UI tester, a tester can be a non-functional tester, a tester can be... So ETL and all we are not touching. ETL is a complete different platform altogether, okay? We are not touching that area. We are only touching functional and non-functional. In functional, we are touching everything as part of UI testing, API testing, DB testing, okay, manual testing, functional testing, I mean to say. We are covering everything. And I'm requesting you, by yourself, you need to learn 2 things apart from my course parallelly, okay, which can help you to get 100% results. So what I am going to do is, I am going to create a WhatsApp group once you paid the fees. I'll add you to that WhatsApp group. There are already some people existing in that group. Every day I will share you notes, okay. I will share you every day, or that means running notes I will share you. Every day recordings will be shared to you by DurgaSoft team. Okay. 200 plus HR contacts I will share you at the end of the class. I mean the session. Session I mean to say the course. I don't think so. You will have all these things trained in any institute. You can go and verify it.
And sir, about this Python. So in Python, you will share the recorded session of Durga sir or only notes? Notes will share.
Both the notes and recordings, 170 videos
Okay.
of Durga sir will be shared as a free content to you when you register my course. Durga sir is the best trainer in Python, okay, as everyone knows. So you will get
Yeah.
an access for 1 year. All these things. See, that's why I'm saying whatever you're paying and whatever you're getting is into 5 or 6 times. I'm doing it out of my passion only, very serious. You have to spend 2 to 3 months with me for sure. I see, Mohammed, you have recently joined. Yeah. Mohammed, can you just shortly brief about you? What is your experience? What are you working?
Hello. Yeah, so this is Shiva. So I don't have any program knowledge in Python. So it will cover everything in this 45 days class. Sir.
No, not 45 days. That's what I'm saying. It is 2 to 3 months, not 45 days.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We'll cover everything. See, it's not new for me, right? I've been teaching for 5 years now. So I know how to teach, what to teach, when to teach, and everything. Mohammed, you want to speak or you can message if you can't speak. It's generally that we ask about everyone who joins about their background and their need to join this course. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, you're from Nigeria. Okay, got it. So this is something that we are going to cover everything as part of Python, okay, and Selenium. So are you currently a part of India and specifically Hyderabad, or you have joined from Nigeria to learn the course? How is it? You can message possibly.
Neither.
Okay. Joining from Nigeria. Okay. Yeah, nice. I have explained you, right? See, what anywhere you go in the world, these are the things that would be asked. You learn Python, you need to learn frameworks on top of it. You need to learn UI testing, API testing, manual testing, DB testing, Git Jenkins, and you need to have logical understanding on programs. Only then you can crack entering. All these are being actually taught in the class, which helps you to gain a quality knowledge of entering into Selenium and Python with automation testing into the companies. Okay. If possible, I will teach this also. Okay. I will teach this as well. So full stack, I will keep at full stack testing. Full stack testing. Okay. Anyone has any questions apart from that? I missed the introduction section, but I'm basically interested in learning Python. Yeah, Python is being taught here. Okay. I will teach personally Python, not just the Python. You're learning automation testing, manual testing, Git, Jenkins, API testing, UI testing, DB testing, entire testing with the cloud and non-functional testing, JMeter or load. Everything is been covered. Entire Python is covered by me in the class. Along with that, you will also get an access of 170 videos of Durga sir, which is a free if you enroll my course. Okay. So not just Python. So Python, obviously, I will teach and you will get that videos. Along with that, I will teach many things like Selenium, UI testing, API testing, DB testing with multiple frameworks, Git Jenkins, manual testing, agile process, Python programs, cloud, AWS or Azure based on the time sense, and JMeter or load runner based on the time permits. Okay, got it right? So introductory session is something that I mean to say that what I want to. If you want to enroll the course, you can please refer to the chart that is being sent by Durga sir. So you can contact any of those numbers. Okay, contact Durga sir team. So you can reach to any of these numbers. Okay, you can take a you can reach to any of these numbers and they would probably let you know how to do your payment. Hope everyone is clear, right? Everyone, other people, Avinash, Shiva. See, there is a batch
yes,
running
okay.
up, guys. It is not new for anyone. There is a match. It is just an additional batch to the existing batch. Okay. So you are going to get everything from the amount that we pay. Everything from the scratch. So yeah.
So sorry, what is the timing of this class, Nikhil?
Timing is something that is still in progress. So we will try to see our flexible ways. Are you fine from 9:30 to 10:30, everyone?
Yeah, 9:30 to is 10:30 is fine, or evening also it's fine, or 8:30 to 9:30.
Yeah. Let me see the flexibility because I'm changing my organization very soon.
Oh, okay.
Based on my thing, we will decide. What about others?
For me, in morning 9:30 to 10:30 is fine.
Okay. What about others? Uh,
Yeah, so from me 9 to 10 it is fine.
okay. Okay. Musa, it is just 1 hour forward from now. Is it fine? 1 hour forward from now? 1 or 1.5 hour forward from now. I mean, before from now. I don't know what is the time in Nigeria now, but of course, if it is really works out, you please. No. What I have discussed that. Okay, let me give you understanding. What I have discussed is in a simple way. I have discussed about what are we going to teach in this course. Okay. For my recording, if you want to go for any demo of my videos, because generally people have a sense of understanding demo means they will teach some topic and based on that understanding whether you like me or not. Okay. That's where you think it, right? But I am not a newbie to this organization. I have been teaching in this organization for more than 5 years now. And in testing teaching experience, I have more than 10 years now. I also work in a company, in an organization, in MNC as a test manager. I have more than 13 years, close to 13 years experience in an organization. Okay. I work as a test manager. I did work in multiple roles across my experience. Currently, I worked as a test manager in one of the MNC organization. So I was completely aware of what is the market standards and requirements, no matter wherever you are in the whole world, because companies recruit people based on certain skill sets, right? So all these are actually been considered and my syllabus is created based on it. Okay. So I have created a syllabus in such a way. I'm not teaching any demo for sure now. Demo classes, you can refer any of my YouTube videos because if someone is a new guy, newbie who wants to just know about my teaching, I'm teaching very openly and very clearly, right? I hope everyone is able to understand the way that I'm teaching in a very basic English language, which everyone can understand. Okay. So I will be teaching the same way until the end of the class, until the end of the session, the course, entire course. So here what you need to understand is what is the syllabus that we are going to cover, whether that syllabus is important for you to have you into job. So what is the syllabus that we are covering is we are covering everything of testing that is required to get you into job, because I recruit hundreds of people, okay, many people in my organization, and also I will recruit for the clients. So I know that what companies are looking for, what kind of skill sets they are looking for. And I have been teaching this course in this organization for more than 5 years. If you go to YouTube and just type Selenium with Python by Nikhil Raju sir, you will find thousands and thousands of my videos, not just one, two. Okay. Because there are so many videos I have been teaching from now. So I don't want to take it like a demo class. Instead, I want you to tell my course and the session and the syllabus which I'm going to cover, which can help you to understand whether it is required to you to get a job or not. So that is the reason I told you that we are going to teach Python, we are going to teach programs, we are going to teach Selenium, we are going to teach UI testing with frameworks, we are going to teach API testing, we are going to teach DB testing, we are going to teach Git and Jenkins, manual testing, Agile, and cloud, along with JMeter. Everything is covered in the course of 8,000 rupees, Indian rupees, okay, which will cover a free access of 5,000 rupees worth 170 videos of DurgaSoft. It is actually a paid. If you go to DurgaSoft online website and type DurgaSoft core and advanced videos, you have to pay 5,000 rupees and get these videos online. But if you enroll my course, you will get it freely along with everything what I'm going to teach. So that's what I'm saying. I'm giving you a benefit of learning Python and learning entire automation testing from the scratch. Not just learning Python. If your intention is just learning Python, that's not just happening here. Here we are going to see everything apart from Python, and also, I mean, along with Python and also entire testing, manual and automation testing. I hope you understood now, Musa. Let me check it. It is 92.32. It's going to be 92.32 US dollars. Is it fine? 92 point, it's not 9232, 92.32. That means around 93 USD. Okay. Yeah. So timings is something that I am not yet confirmed. You can please reach to these numbers for further alignment. Please do the payment because you will be immediately joining in the previous batch. I have already started a batch, I told you. So I would request you to please get add on to that batch so that we will continue discussing everything from the scratch. Don't worry. From 1-2 classes, I will repeat it again and again in the different timings. Okay. Please do the payment today, everyone. I request. Is it fine if you're interested? See, See, you need to understand that if you want a demo kind of training and all, you can come and join my course there. I'll teach everything from the scratch, okay? Because I don't want to waste anyone's of your time, for sure. What about others? Abhishek, Shiva, Avinash?
Sure, sir. Yeah.
If you do the
Yeah,
payment,
I am interested.
please ping me to this WhatsApp number. I'll add you to WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Okay. If you have done the payment, please ping me to this number in my WhatsApp number. I'll add you to WhatsApp group. No, you can do some payment and you can request them to do the other payment. Yeah, that you can ask. Okay, fine. Thank you, guys. Not to waste anyone's time. Thank you.
Thank you.